Waterlogging has long plagued Delhi, causing tragic incidents like Rao's IS coaching center basement flooding, which claimed 3 lives. With the monsoon season now approaching, authorities are stepping up efforts to tackle this entire issue. Delhi CM Rekha Gupta, along with top officials, now inspected 3 major drains across the city to assess the situation. Rekha Gupta, along with LG Vinay Saxena, PWD Minister Parvesh Verma, visited Barapulla drain to inspect the drainage facilities following her earlier review of the Suneri Pula depot. Now, the Delhi CM stressed the need for an on-ground governance over office decisions and discussions, blaming unplanned urban development for Delhi's drainage failures. She's also now come out and assured citizens that waterlogging solutions remain a top priority for the BJP government.
देखिए, ये वो ड्रेन्स हैं जिसको पिछले की सरकारों ने कभी सीरियस नहीं लिया। किसी को फुल फ्लेज काम या आप कहिए कि 12 महीने का काम कि आपने ड्रेन पे काम करना है, ऐसा काम नहीं क्लियर हुआ। ये अब जिस चीज़ों को हम देख रहे हैं, हमने अब फ्लड एंड इरिगेशन को स्पेशली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देके कि ये एक एजेंसी की जिम्मेवारी है कि आपको ये डिसिल्टिंग करके देनी है। कितना होगा, टाइम बाउंड तरीके से कब तक आप करेंगे, पूरा का पूरा उसके मानक तय करके उसमें बजट में उसके लिए एलोकेशन हो, क्योंकि ये सबसे बड़ी नेसेसिटी है। हम जहाँ पे डिसिल्टिंग है, हम बिल्कुल पब्लिक से भी और विधायकों से भी ये लिखित में मांगेंगे कि वो डिसिल्टिंग हुई है या नहीं हुई है। केवल अफसरान ने कह दिया, कागज़ों में हो गया, किताबों में हो गया कि डिसिल्टिंग हो गया, उसे माना नहीं जाएगा। इस बार दिल्ली वो तैयारी कर रही है कि दिल्ली में पानी कहीं जाम ना हो, नाले कहीं ओवरफ्लो ना हो और दिल्ली बेहतर दिखे।
We're reporting from near the Barapulla drain, and on your screens right now, camera person Bilal is showing you how the Delhi LG as well as Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta and the PWD Minister Parvesh Verma have reached this spot to take stock of the de-stilting of the Barapulla drain as well as the supplementary drains, the Sunehri as well as the Kushak drains. Now remember, these drains are one of the major cause of waterlogging, specifically in South Delhi. There were multiple issues and multiple sittings in the National Green Tribunal as well, where prioritizing of the de-stilting and de-dredging work of these drains have been repeatedly talked about. So far, the officials here are also joined by top officials of the Irrigation and Flood Control Department, as well as people from the Secretariat as well, and the inspection of the drain work is going on. You can see on your screens how all 3 of them, how the LG Chief Minister as well as the PWD Minister has stopped by the flyover here to take stock of the situation. We'll show you the visuals of the current condition of the drains as well. There are multiple aspects to it. First is the de-stilting work that has been, as per one official report, the deadline for the de-stilting of the Barapulla drain was given to be completed by 2027. On your screens, you can also see how the entire bank has also been encroached upon, and that is also something that the officials will need to work on, because unless and until the outflow is controlled in a manner in which it can be managed, none of these in fact steps are going to make a difference. What we're also learning is that in fact in the NGT order as well, multiple times deadlines have been given. Even last year in the August hearing, a deadline of about 3 months was given by the Delhi Secretary itself for the de-stilting of these drains. However, the work still remains.